Compatibility. Replacement for exterior door handle fit 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006 Silverado 1500 2500s, GMC Sierra 1500, 2500 3500s, 2007 Silverado Sierra 1500 2500s HD 3500 Classic extended cab only. Replaces OE. 15,758,171, 15,758,172, GM 1520115, GM 1521115, 79,100, 79,107. Note: before purchasing this outside door handle, please check the description or part numbers, or use the year, make, model drop-down bar to confirm the compatibility. Easy to install OEM perfect fit, a direct replacement for the factory door handle, easy to install. Pair rear left driver right passenger side textured third black door handles are exactly an OEM finish for Chevy GMC. OE-like design ensures structural integrity and perfect drop-in fit. Durable material, long service life. Made of superior durable material, built to strict quality control standards, meets or exceeds OEM specs, it's more resistant to cold and heat, ensures structural integrity for longer life. 18 month warranty. If the extended cab door latch fails or stop work, please contact us and we will give you a replacement or refund. Top reviews from the United States. Compared it to a Doorman, exactly the same. Fit and works like new and perfectly. These went on my 2003 Silverado.